Vous êtes connu principalement pour avoir travaillé sur les films Harry Potter, pour lesquels vous avez dû créer de nombreux livres dans les décors. Est-ce que cette expérience a nourri votre envie de créer des livres, des beaux livres de toutes pièces?
We never really thought it was an option to work in the real world, but when we were invited to do our first commercial book for the real world, we were very arrogant and naive because we didn't really understand what that was, because all the books in the films are completely fake. So it's a very important skill in filmmaking is to be able to maximize being fake at all times.
Donc, dans ce cas-là, justement, quelle est la différence peut-être de processus entre créer les livres pour les films et créer ces livres pour la vie réelle?
The main difference is in a film, we can be very crazy. We can spend loads of money creating one book. In the real world, it's a bit different, but we still manage, to do a beautiful book.
And actually, some of those qualities that we love and want to celebrate in traditional old books, we are managing to do in a more commercial occasion such as this.
Tout le monde ici se demande sans doute de travailler sur les films. Comment est-ce que vous en êtes venu justement à créer ce premier livre illustré et puis à poursuivre la série vers d'autres horizons?
I think that the thing that unifies every decision that we make creatively is to try and find ways to tell stories. And actually the first book we designed, the Peter Pan, was kind of it was almost like a joy or a kind of a bit of a liberation for us to do something of our own.
Because when we work in films, we work with a big crew, with loads of other departments, and the director is the owner of the film. And now with those books, we can be him.
So we like to talk about having a kind of mise en scène for the books in the same way that you might for a production or a theatre production or a film production. We take the same approach within the walls of the book.
Vous expliquez que ces livres sont vraiment vos créations. Est-ce que quand on vous commande ces livres, l'éditeur vous demande de proposer un livre illustré, est-ce qu'il y a un cahier des charges à respecter, des incontournables qu'il faut inclure?
I think the limits are usually commercial limits. Like we will go in and say we want ribbons and gold and embossing and every kind of finish, and then they come back and say they're like parents.
But creatively, we are absolutely free to do whatever we wanted to do, and that is what has been great doing those books, because we are free.
Ces livres, après avoir créé les classiques illustrés, vous êtes arrivé sur les tomes de Harry Potter. Dans les deux cas, vous réinventez un univers visuel, graphique qui existait auparavant. Pour Peter Pan, le Magicien d'Oz, un univers dans lequel il y a déjà eu des films par le passé. Est-ce que c'est difficile et lequel des deux, on va dire, est le plus compliqué?
I don't think there's any difference in difficulty between the books because it's all about a sort of creative expression for us as a studio. We kind of try and ignore other creators of the same work, and certainly with the classics, because it would be a distraction, and we just try and follow our own heart and kind of conviction for what's best for the story and how we can be original in our own way.
With Harry Potter, was the main challenge was to completely forget everything that we did for the film. So we had to reimagine everything, Hogwarts, how Harry looks like, and everything like that. So it was a challenge, but we managed.
Justement, dans ce processus de réinvention, comment est-ce que vous trouvez l'équilibre entre votre patte créative qui est assez marquée et le respect de l'univers en fait de l'auteur, pour J.K. Rowling qui est une autrice encore vivante, pour les autres des auteurs qui ne sont plus de ce monde? Comment est-ce que vous trouvez le bon équilibre?
Well, the worlds are mostly in words anyway, so it's up to us to bring the visual element to those words. And certainly with J.K. Rowling, so many of the descriptions are not there. And what she does so well is to create a mood and a response in human beings or wizards. But not often will she give us a very detailed description of what something looks like. So that gives us much space to interpret and reimagine.
We only started doing Harry Potter because of the classics. J.K. Rowling's team, they absolutely love what we were doing with Peter Pan and Jungle Book and so on. And they said, we need to do for Harry Potter as well.
Justement, du coup, ces classiques, comment les avez-vous choisis? Y en a-t-il des qui étaient particulièrement importants pour vous dans votre enfance?
We started doing the classics with a fantastic publisher in the States, HarperCollins, and the same way that they let us free to imagine and to be creative, they allow us also to choose the stories that we like. So all the choices were books that we grew up reading and that were part of our childhood.
I think for anyone creative, it's really, if you have a chance in your life, at least once, hopefully more, to be able to choose what you do, then that's the dream. So.
Yeah. Est-ce que les prochains livres seront plus gros ou plus petits que ceux qui sont déjà proposés à l'heure actuelle, et quels seront-ils?
Do you want us to do it?
La question, c'est comment est-ce que vous arrivez à collaborer, chacun avec votre style, et à trouver l'équilibre entre vous deux?
It's actually 20 years that we've worked together, so we're kind of like just one big monster. It's a good question, though, because I think when we first met 20 years ago, we just discovered we had a very a synergy in our thinking in all sorts of things. So that was the key.
But also, it's not just me and Mira now. We have an amazing team of 15 designers or wizards helping us.
La question porte sur un livre qui a été annoncé qui s'appelle The Magic of Minalima, la magie de Minalima. Et donc, elle souhaite savoir si ce sera une compilation de créations déjà existantes ou qu'il y aura du nouveau matériel.
We were supposed to launch this year because this year we are celebrating 20, but because of COVID. But it's beautiful. We just finished the book right now, and yeah, you
Il va
you
être très
will
très
love
très
it.
beau. Et vous allez tous l'adorer. Et il y aura aussi un voyage dans la manière dont on pense et on travaille.
Oh, and also we are working on book number 9 for the classics, but we can't say yet.
Thank you very much. Merci beaucoup. Et merci à vous d'avoir tous été présents donc aujourd'hui. J'espère que cet échange était enrichissant pour vous tous. Et je vais vous laisser avec nos deux graphistes.
And thanks to our readers, because without them,
Et merci aux lecteurs, car sans les lecteurs, nous ne serions rien.
And thank you very much for having us. Thank you.